This is the AUXITO H49003 LED headlight bulbs. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a product manual and the two headlight bulbs. Now these particular ones are the H4 style or 9003, so that means that you'll see there are three terminals on there. This is low beam and high beam combined. You can see the LEDs there, and this little shelf that's there helps to direct that. These will produce a beam very similar to that of standard halogen bulbs. This bulb, or these bulbs as a set, produce 12,000 lumens in total. So it's 6,000 for each, but obviously you have two headlights on a car and both are going to be on. The color temperature of the light output is 6500 K. If you've been out driving and seen other cars at night, you'll see some cars that have sort of a yellowish looking headlights, and the ones with them really bright white ones, that's what you're going to get here. So it's going to give you that really bright white color, which is 6500 Kelvin. For the set, this set uses 52 watts, so you're looking at 26 watts a piece per bulb, which is still, a lot better than halogen there. And they also have a built-in cooling fan. It's hard to see, at least from what I can show with the lighting conditions I have, but through these slots there's a little fan in there that spins to help keep this cool. And lifespan of these bulbs is 30,000 hours. Now you can do the math for that, but remember that if you have maybe an hour commute home from work and it's getting dark early kind of thing, these lights are only on an hour. So if it's only an hour, that would be 30,000 days before these are used up. So they should last you a good long time. So now it's time to go install these in the car. The particular car we're going to be installing these in is a 2001 Mazda 626, which uses these H49003 bulbs. So let's go to the car and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so here we are at the car, and I've already done some minor disassembly because I wanted to show you how the parts are together. I believe this may be specific to this Mazda 626, but as you notice here, that has the same pattern as the LED bulbs. So the connector will plug right on. Back in here is the actual bulb itself, and if you look closely in there, I'll see if I could zoom in on that. You should see those three terminals, the horizontal one at the top and the two vertical ones on the sides. Okay, so that is what mates up with this plug, obviously, just like that. This particular car also had this rubber donut kind of looking thing, and that's simply like a dust, dirt, rain, moisture cover that just goes over and around this whole big white thing here. Your car may or may not have that. But now here's the important part. Let me show you up close what you need to do to get the bulb out. Alright, so we have our three connectors there, the three terminals, and there is a spring clip. So on this side is a screw, and on this side is just a little tab. So all we're going to do is just go in there and kind of push down on that tab, and that clip swings out of the way. Do you see it over there now? How it just swung out like that? Then you just grab the back of the bulb and pull it right out. There you go. And that looks, well, just like the LED bulbs. So now installation is the reverse. So as you can see here, here's the original halogen bulb and the AUXITO LED bulb, and they are, for all intents and purposes, exactly the same length and same size. So now installation is just reverse. You see all these three tabs that are on there, just like that one has there. It goes in this particular car, it goes in this orientation with the three connectors like that. You just sort of pop it in there and put the spring clip back, and then in this car there's the rubber boot and then the connector. Okay, so I have the bulb in that orientation I just showed, and it's going to go right in. Now when you get in there, you're going to want to just rock it back and forth slightly, just so you get the 3 tabs line up, and then it's going to go right in. So we'll just put it in. Okay, just in like that. And I actually got it first try. Otherwise it'll be out like this and it'll be wiggly. But once you get it in, it'll go in like another, quarter of an inch or something like that. And now that is in. So now we have to get the spring clip back, which is a matter of just flipping it back around like that. And then you're going to push down on that and hook it in at the top. That's why it's bent in that shape. Okay, now we have the clip in. The trick is there's a little tang that's sticking under that, and there's a plastic thing right there. So you kind of just hook it under that plastic, and the clip will lock into place. The bulb now is in there nice and solid. Now, on this car, this rubber boot goes back over this whole white thing here. So it's a matter of just kind of mushing it on there. So I'm just going to get that installed, and then I'll show you how to plug the connector. So here's the connector. It goes this way, and it's simply going to plug into the bulb. So just get down in here and get everything lined up and wiggle it on. And that's it. It's in. So now we'll go test it out. Okay, so here's the outside of that headlight. We'll go ahead and turn the lights on. And there you go. You get that nice white. And if you do high beam, there you go. You can see how that changes like that. And of course that'll shoot the high beams out. Just to compare that over here on the other side, here's the old halogen bulb, and you see how yellow that is. The other side on this car was just slightly more tricky because this coolant expansion tank was in the way, and it was too easy. Screw there, and it lifts right out of the way. There's the headlight connector, exactly the same steps with the rubber boot and the spring clip, and that's in. So now we're going to wait until it becomes nighttime, and we'll take her for a drive and show you what this looks like. Incidentally, this is my friend's car, so you will have a completely unbiased opinion on that because he has never driven this car with LED headlights. So we'll see you there. Okay, it's pitch black out. The camera can't see anything. And like I said, this is my friend's car, so go ahead and put your lights on and see what you think.
Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Nice. That really lights up the road.
Definitely.
Take her for a spin. Let's see.
Sure.
See, all the way down there.
Oh, yeah, you can really see down here. Really
Absolutely.
nice.
Yeah. Wow, look at that sign in the distance. Even on the camera, you can see that clear as day. It's reflective, yes, but even so. So, are you impressed with these AUXITO headlights?
Yes, I am. They are absolutely amazing. Really nice.
Excellent. So once again, this was the AUXITO H49003 LED headlight bulbs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.